Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to add new apps on the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, for those of you who feel confused because after installing a new apps but the new apps doesn't display on the home screen, don't need to be worried guys, because I'll give you a tutorial on how to auto add new apps to home screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first, now you can pinch on the home screen like this and go to settings menu. And after that, now you can scroll down, and then here now you can activate add new apps to home screen. And then so yeah, the new installed apps will display on the home screen automatically. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.